All right, here's the tool giveaway for our Minority Scholarship Program. We've got 7 students receiving equipment. First of all, Bacharach. This is a Fyrite Insight combustion analyzer going to Trey Andres Manning.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Very grateful for this.
We also have, now I wanted to make sure everybody got something in the scholarship group because it's like small enough that we can do that. So I dipped into my own tools and picked things that I think are awesome, but that I don't use as much as they should get used. So we've got a FLIR infrared camera moisture meter that has a pin sensor as well, and a spec indoor air quality monitor, and these are for Rashawn Forrest.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna have a lot of good use out of these.
You ready for a present?
Yes.
1 Bacharach Fyrite Insight
Wow.
analyzer with infrared printer.
This is really, really exciting. Thank you.
A Fubot, the book How Buildings Learn, and a camera kit for an iPhone SE.
Sweet.
Complete with Steadicam gimbal, all kinds of lenses and zoom and stuff like that for Corrine Segura.
Wow. Said my name right too.
To Fernando Tovar goes Dwyer thermometer hygrometer, hot wire anemometer, Dwyer large vein anemometer, all Bluetooth enabled, even with a little Bluetooth manometer. That all goes to you, buddy. Congratulations.
Oh, nice. Thanks, man.
My very own FLIR One Pro for iPhone for Bethany Ward.
Thank you. That's awesome.
I hope you get your voice back soon.
Yeah, thanks.
So we're having a great time in this minority scholarship. We're getting minorities and women elevated in the construction industry to be the consultants and the higher level decision makers. We're all really excited about it. These are nice people. If you know any nice people who are women or people of color, please get them in touch with us so that they can apply for the scholarship, because this is something that we're trying to get to be here to stay. Let's do this thing.
Yes,
Thank you guys.
sir. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Cool. See you guys soon. Please comment, like, subscribe. Tune in next time.